Most people pay full price for travel. Members don't. Imagine planning your next family vacation and discovering that you could save hundreds, if not thousands of dollars just by being part of a travel membership. This isn't just a dream. It's a reality for many families who have unlocked the secrets to affordable travel through a unique membership platform. This travel membership platform allows families to pay a small monthly fee, opening the door to a world of savings. Members gain access to discounted wholesale rates on hotels, cruises, car hire, golf courses, and much more. This means that every time you book travel, you can enjoy significant savings compared to the standard prices that most people pay. Let's dive into the first area of savings. When you become a member, you can search for hotels just like you normally would, but with one major difference. The prices you see are often much lower than what you would find on other travel booking sites. Imagine the possibilities for your family vacations with that kind of savings. Next up are hotel savings. When planning a trip, accommodation can be one of the biggest expenses. Members can access exclusive hotel rates that are often much lower than the public prices. Picture this. A hotel room that usually costs $200 a night could be available for just $150 for members, or even as high as 65% off. Over the course of a week-long vacation, that's a substantial amount of money saved, allowing families to allocate their budget to experiences and activities instead. Now let's talk about cruises. Many families dream of setting sail on a luxurious cruise, but the costs can quickly add up. With a travel membership, members can enjoy discounted fares on cruise bookings. For instance, a family cruise that typically costs $4,000 could be available for just $2,800 for members. This opens up the opportunity for families to explore new destinations and create unforgettable memories without breaking the bank. The cool thing is, there's no points or gimmicks. You just get better prices straight up. And if you feel like sharing it with mates or family, you can earn commissions as well. Totally optional, no pressure. Some people use it just for cheap travel, others use it to fund their trips. I like having both options. End result? More trips, less money, less stress. Say a family books a hotel, a cruise, and a hire car for a holiday. Normally, they might pay around $3,000. Through the membership, they get access to better member pricing and might pay closer to $2,100 instead. And on some stays or cruises, the discounts can be up to 65% off, which is massive. There's no points or gimmicks, just cheaper prices straight up. And if they feel like sharing it with others, they can earn commissions too. Totally optional. As you can see, the visuals of families booking holidays on their laptops, side-by-side price comparisons, showcasing the savings, beautiful hotel rooms, and stunning cruise ships all come together to paint a picture of how accessible travel can be. Holiday clips of families enjoying their vacations serve as a reminder of the joy that comes from traveling without the financial stress. If you're intrigued by the idea of saving money on your family's travel expenses and want to learn more about how this membership can work for you, there's a simple way to get started. Comment Bright below, and I'll send you all the exact details and a walkthrough of the membership benefits. It's time to take the first step toward more affordable family vacations. Remember, comment Bright, and free information will be sent automatically. Traveling with your family should be a joyous experience, not a financial burden. With the right travel membership, you can unlock incredible savings on hotels and cruises while earning rewards for future trips. Don't let high prices hold you back from creating lasting memories with your loved ones. Join the community of savvy travelers who are making the most of their adventures without overspending.